everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. Today, I am going to teach you how I fold my sweaters. Keep on watching. This way of folding your sweater is very useful, especially if you want to stock them in a small space, as well as ideal for traveling. I'm going to show you the steps. The first step is to fold the bottom of the sweater inside out, about 5 inches up. The next step is to fold the sweater into thirds. Fold one side almost halfway, tuck in the sleeves, and do the other side. Next is spin it around and roll it tightly. Next is you pull over the part that was folded earlier so that it will keep it intact. Let's fold 2 more sweaters. All of these sweaters are from my friends. They gave it to me since I only brought few clothes when we came here 2 years ago from the Philippines. And to all my Filipino friends in the UK, I'm very grateful for all the things that you've given to me. I mean to us. More blessings to all of you guys. Thanks.